Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile smoothly on a low-end device. First, navigate to your in-game graphics settings. Set your graphics to smooth and your frame rate to extreme or ultra for the best balance. Crucially, disable both anti-aliasing and shadows, as these consume significant processing power. If your device allows, consider lowering the screen resolution slightly to gain even more frames per second, ensuring a much smoother experience. Next, optimize your device itself. Before launching PUBG Mobile, ensure all other background applications are completely closed to free up valuable RAM. Regularly clear the cache for both the game and your device's system settings. This can remove temporary files that slow things down. Aim to have at least 2 GB of free internal storage available, as insufficient space can severely impact game performance and loading times. For a better connection, always prioritize a stable Wi-Fi network over mobile data to achieve lower ping and reduce lag spikes. Many devices come with a built-in game booster. Activate it, or consider a reputable third-party booster application to prioritize game resources. Also, make sure you download all necessary in-game resource packs beforehand. This prevents the game from downloading assets during gameplay, which can cause significant stuttering. Finally, keep your device's operating system and PUBG Mobile application consistently updated to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes. Avoid playing for excessively long periods, as device overheating can drastically reduce frame rates and overall smoothness. For extended gaming sessions, consider using an external cooling fan. This simple addition can help maintain optimal device temperature, ensuring sustained, smooth gameplay without performance drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.